Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Dovety electric spin scrubber. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include: efficient cleaning and home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid, from now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety electric cleaning brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The shower brush set has two cleaning speeds: low speed 300 rpm, high speed 500 rpm. The default speed is low when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Retractable handle, free adjustable length. This cordless power scrubber with handheld and extendable handle, which can adjust from 15 to 60 inches, and you do not have to drag the power cord. It can help you clean hard-to-reach places and every corner, so you don't need to bend over or kneel to scrub the tub and floors. The shower brush for cleaning is lightweight, making it comfortable for users to hold, and not too difficult to operate during long sweeps. 8 versatile brush heads. Our electric spin scrubber comes with a wealth of accessories, 8 replaceable brush heads as well as chargers and hooks. The 8 replaceable brush heads are suitable for multiple scenarios or can be removed separately for cleaning. Each brush can get deep into the corner to remove grout and stains effectively. Widely used in clean bathrooms, bathtubs, kitchens, grills, stove tops, walls, slots, sinks, floors, grout, car wheels, floors, windows, dishes, and so on. New battery display and fast charging. The cleaning brush uses a new circle-type battery display screen. 4 different blue light arcs indicate different power levels. Each quarter arc represents 25% of the battery power. Fast Type-C charging, battery capacity up to 3000 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.